Hi, kids! Are you ready to learn some amazing colors today? Let's go on a colorful adventure together. This is pink. Can you say pink? Pink is the color of a cupcake with yummy frosting, a pretty flower, and a happy balloon. Pink is soft, sweet, and super fun. Now here comes orange. Say orange. Orange is the color of a juicy orange fruit, a bouncing ball, and the sky at sunset. Orange is bright, warm, and full of energy. Look at this. It's purple. Can you say purple? Purple grapes are tasty, and a purple monster toy is silly. Purple is magical and cool. Everything is so bright. It's white. Say white. White is the color of soft snow, fluffy clouds, and a cute little cat. White is clean, calm, and cozy. Now we see black. Can you say black? Black is the color of the night sky, a sleek black car, and a sneaky black cat. Black is bold and mysterious. Great job, friends! Let's say the colors one more time.
Pink, orange, purple, white, black.
You did it! You're a colors superstar. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.